questions.
Richard?
I do have questions. Don't act like you're frustrated, because we're frustrated as a community.
I am a little frustrated, Richard.
Okay.
But go ahead.
What you're accusing me of, when we came to you as an outreach program to bring more back to our community,
There is no outreach program.
okay, well, if
Richard.
that's been dissolved, then that's been dissolved. But at the time, that's what we did.
There was never an outreach program.
We put together, can I finish my
No,
question?
Richard, understand this. There was never an outreach program. There's volunteers, Mercy Foundation, and me making requests to get more
Right.
items donated to Holopaw.
Right, when we
Okay?
came to you as a community, as outreach, which we represent our community, we felt that you should, that we were bringing programs back, just like Dr. Patel said, we organized it.
The flooring
He
was not
asked
a
us to.
program. The flooring was not a program.
Dr.
The
Patel-
flooring was a company
Correct.
that paired up with Mercy
Yes,
Foundation
ma'am.
to give a certain amount of flooring for the people that qualified for it. Whatever
Yes, ma'am.
those qualifications and application process is, that was entirely up to Mercy Foundation.
We were told it never started. And
No,
if
no,
it
no,
ended
no.
in December,
You were at the
we
same meeting.
never,
You were
yes,
at the
exactly.
same
I was
meeting
at the
that
same meeting you
So
were.
then I had the same information that you did.
And he told us to get information from the community to find out what they needed, what
Again,
programs.
Richard,
You were
literally
there.
just said you were at the same meeting. So if you and I were at the same meeting, we had the exact same information. If you didn't share that information or you didn't apply for it, that's entirely
Oh, I tried to
up
find out
you.
the information,
Okay.
but Mary
That's
wasn't
entirely-
communicating with
I'm
us.
done, Richard. Anybody else have any questions?
Well.